Hey, how's it going? Hope you're well. Hope you're having a good week. My name is Johnny. Welcome to my channel. First thing, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button or the subscribe button. I'm not picky. We all know how the YouTube algorithm works, so any help you could give would be amazing. So this is the Huawei GT2. It's the follow-up to the GT, obviously. I mean, I bought this about 6 to 7 weeks ago as a fitness tracker with the goal to shed some of those lockdown pounds. But it has become my daily watch, and yep, that is a thing. So now people buy smartwatches for a variety of different reasons, but mainly it's to help with fitness tracking. So the question is, can you lose weight using a smartwatch? Oh, and also I have to say that I have in no way endorsement with Huawei whatsoever. So let's go over and have a look what's in the box. Okay, so here's the opening. Oh, I love when it does that. Okay, it's really nice. The texture of this is similar to the kind of rubber around the strap. Kind of perforated. Really cool. Okay, just open it up. Let's see what we have in this first compartment. Okay. So this is the charging cable. This is the dock. God. Can't get those. See? Warranty and guide. And let's check out the watch. Nice. Okay. The orange isn't as orange as I thought it would be. It's very like a red orange. Then your bright white orange. Dial on it, yeah, looks good. Nice click off the button. Okay, you've got the sensors at the back. Strap is really good rubber quality. Okay, I must say it is quite nice. Okay, I am going to start wearing this for a while now. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just wanted to show you this, but I forgot to do this bit. So the charging dock is a Type C connector. Connect it in, and it does a nice little. It does a nice little. Ooh, let's see if we can hear that again. Oh, it does a really good click. Like a solid click on it for charging. Okay, just wanted to show you that bit. Let's see if we can focus a little bit around it. Okay, that's it. Now let's talk specs. The Huawei GT2 is running Kirin A1. It's their first processor entirely developed by Huawei. Their aim was to give you a high performance watch, but with a low power consumption, with apparently up to 2 weeks of battery life, and I'll speak about that later on. It has a 2.2 gigabyte of storage. The bezel that I bought is the 46mm with orange straps, but it does come in a 42mm bezel size. It has a stainless steel frame with ceramic back and weighs 41 grams. It has a 3D glass screen that sits snugly on top of that frame, and behind that is 1.39 inch AMOLED screen, which is really fast and has an accurate response rate. You can make and receive calls. You can use your headphones throughout. You can use the Bluetooth to answer calls if you're on a workout. It stores up to 500 songs if you want to exercise without your device, but you can control the Spotify or whatever music streaming service you use from it. There are 15 training modes, multiple professional training courses from basic to advanced level with a voice for encouragement. Now it has 2 positioning systems, GPS and GLONASS, and this will detect more satellites and will better increase your positioning accuracy. Other daily features like message notifications, True Sleep 2.0 sleep tracking, and True Lax
pressure monitoring, but stress features, it's only available on Android devices. Now, the blood oxygen saturation is provided as an estimate calculated based on different factors, and this is all combined with data from the Huawei Health app. And on their website, they do stress that it is not a medical device, nor is it intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. Make sure you get the T's and C's in there, Huawei, eh? I've been wearing this for about 6 or 7 weeks, and honestly, I have only charged it 3 times. The battery life is astounding for the specs it delivers. This device is so good, it should be twice the price, and I'll say that because I've bought it already. It looks great, whether you're going out for dinner or if you want to go for a jog. It works great, and the battery life, as I said, is amazing. It will be truly hard to beat with all those factors in, and I actually haven't worn any of my other watches because this is so good. My only complaint, and it's very trivial, is that it needs more sports. So preferably playing football, for example. It has the capabilities already, but they just haven't in there, and I don't know why, because it's already built into it. They just need to set it up. Now, to answer my original question, can you lose weight using a smartwatch? The answer is yes. You can lose weight with the help of a smartwatch. It'll help you keep track of your fitness and your health, which will in turn help you lose weight, but it will motivate you, and not by screaming at you for eating the 6th slice of pizza, but by showing you that how close you are to reaching your daily targets, whichever they are, and that in itself will add up over time. So that's it. That's my review. If you could like the video if you liked it, if you could follow me or subscribe, do whatever, hit the bell, and thanks for watching. So I'll see you in the next cartoon.